Rich here. I just finished riding the gravel section of the Dallas Levee Trail. There is about a 25-mile ride, if you include all of it. I went down to Loop 12 on the west, all the way down to the east side is the Santa Fe Trestle Trail. It's a gravel trail that goes on both sides of the Trinity River, right by downtown Dallas. There is a really cool pedestrian bridge. All of it's protected from the vehicle traffic. It's a good ride. A little bumpy. Full disclosure, I did end up with a flat tire on this ride. Just a public service announcement. Make sure you're prepared for anything like that. But it didn't slow me down. Well, it slowed me down for just a minute or two. But it was a great ride. If you're in Dallas or coming to Dallas, go ahead and check out the Dallas Levee gravel ride right by downtown Dallas. This levee trail is mostly gravel. There are some concrete sections, and those concrete sections really do allow you to hammer down and get some speed training in. There's almost always going to be other riders on this trail. I've been here all seasons of the year and have found there's riders pretty much at all times. On the far eastern side of the trail is the Santa Fe Trestle Trail. And this was an old rail service that ended back in the 1980s. It's now preserved as a pedestrian bridge crossing the floodway. This also is right near the Dallas area light rail system. If you're riding the light rail, it's an easy way to get to the trail. One of the things I like about this trail is that you are completely away from the car traffic, and you have so many options on the gravel trails. There's some of the high roads, the low roads. There's other ways that you can take to extend your ride if you'd like. You are completely separated underneath the busyness of a city and enjoying a really nice bike ride. In the center of the Dallas Levee is Trammell Park, and this is an open field park with some really interesting stone cow sculptures scattered right by the Trinity River. And this park celebrates the ranching past of Texas and just bridges the Lone Star State's Western heritage for our current day visitors. Most of my videos have dog clips, and here's the four-legged friends that I came across today. This is the Ronald Kirk Pedestrian Bridge that links downtown Dallas with West Dallas. Originally built for cars, was closed and reopened for bikes and walkers. It does link downtown Dallas, but there's also a great area on the west side, Trinity Grove, which is a good place to park, stop, and have lunch and enjoy the sights of Dallas. Thanks for watching.